What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to another edition of Dye vs. Dye, the series where I compare similar shades from different brands to each other. And today we are doing dark blue, or kind of dark blue. We've got X Mondo Super Blue here, Strawberry Leopard, Loyal Blue, Arctic Fox Poseidon, and Eero Deep Blue. We're going to be swatching them on these wefts of hair you see behind them and comparing them. And then I'm going to be doing 5 washes in cold water and paraben-free shampoo, showing you the results of that, and then 5 more washes in hot water and dandruff shampoo, and showing you the results of that as well. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I've saturated all the sections, and one thing I'm going to take a second to say, I'm noticing the same thing with Strawberry Leopard that I have with Manic Panic a lot of the time, in that it's really thin and it feels like you can't possibly saturate it enough. It's just simply not as opaque as all the other brands. It's not to say it might not come out alright, but it's just kind of like see-through no matter how much product you apply, and it's kind of frustrating. All the other ones go on real nice, like very clearly saturated. I'm not worried about them being patchy, but this one is just really watery in consistency. Just something I wanted to note. We will be back in just a moment to see what these are looking like once I have rinsed them out in cold water. Okay, here we are after rinsing in cold water. One thing that stands out to me right away is this X Mondo came out very greasy looking. I mean, I rinsed this section as much as the rest, if not more, trying to get rid of that greasy look to it, but it just wouldn't. Probably after I shampoo it, it'll look different, but this is just how it came out. As you can see, the rest don't look like that at all. However, this is the most consistent color out of all of them. It's also probably the deepest, I think. The Eero is also very deep and pretty consistent, but there is just slight patchiness. It's possible I missed a little bit, but I always do my best to saturate these as much as possible. I don't really have anywhere to be, so I take my time and I use as much product as necessary to get it as saturated. How many times can I say saturated in this video? For real though. But just to get it, as covered as possible. Now, the Strawberry Leopard, unsurprisingly, is the lightest and patchiest. It looks like it's already like really faded, and it's not even been washed once. The Arctic Fox is also slightly patchy, which actually kind of surprised me, but it's not really that patchy, just slightly. And it's a really pretty color as well. It's brighter than the rest of these. I'm going to go ahead and wash these 5 times now in cold water and paraben-free shampoo, and I will be back with the result of that. Here we are after the 5 washes, and we're looking okay on these darker shades. They've faded, and they're still looking like pretty nice. That's the X Mondo and the Eero Deep Blue. The Arctic Fox is looking a little bit better. The Strawberry Leopard is still looking, you know, more see-through, more patchy. It's not an awful looking color. It's not green at least, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give these 5 more washes in hot water and dander shampoo and be back with the results of that. Okay, here is the final results. And it's looking more or less the same. Blue is one of those colors that's notorious for being hard to remove, so I'm not too surprised that this is all sticking in pretty well. Yeah, it's funny how these two could definitely be dupes for each other. I mean, I can't tell them apart besides the fact that I know I put different brands on there. You wouldn't be able to tell otherwise. These two, Strawberry Leopard and Arctic Fox, almost just as identical, but there is a slight tone difference in them, but they applied similarly, except the Strawberry Leopard was more watery of a consistency and was hard to saturate, but the Arctic Fox ended up being patchy as well, so there's that. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.